Why does your dog rub its face on everything? The reasons will surprise you. Scent marking. They're claiming territory with face glands. Itchy allergies. Check for redness or odor. Ear infection. If frequent, see a vet. Just feels good, like a good scratch. Food leftovers. Cleaning their muzzle. Warning: constant rubbing? Could mean mites, eye issues, or neurological problems. Does your dog do this? Comment below. Paw for yes or thinking face for no. Tag a dog lover who needs to see this. Follow for more weird dog behaviors explained.